no. What do we have here? Another burnt out incandescent bulb. These pesky incandescent light bulbs keep burning out left and right. Let's get it changed. Alright, good. We got the bulb out. Now we just gotta get the socket out.
I am so glad I turned the camera on when I did. I was really not expecting that to happen. Now we got to get all these shards of glass off the table so we can get rid of them.
What a stinking mess.
Okay, I've got a new burnt-in incandescent light bulb. I am so glad that explosion got caught on camera. I was not expecting it to do that. In fact, prior to turning the camera on, I was contemplating how I was going to get that out of there. The strength of these bulbs never fails to amaze me, especially considering how many times they break accidentally when you don't want them to.